Hello everyone, I am Archana Popde again in front of you with the new topic expressed as mixed fraction. Now first let's see what is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is the sum of whole number and proper fraction. That proper fraction you can write in the form of numerator by denominator. Numerator by denominator. Let's take an example, then it will get clear how to change or how to express improper fraction into mixed fraction. So I am taking here one example, 35 by 9. Okay, divide this 35 by 9. 9 threes are 27. How much left here? 8. You all know that this is called quotient. This is your remainder. And this is your divisor. Okay. Now we will change this formula in the form of quotient, remainder and divisor. So in place of whole number, you are going to write quotient. And in place of numerator, you have to write remainder. And in place of denominator, you are going to write divisor. Okay. Now this improper fraction 35 by 9, you are going to write in the mixed form. How it is? First you are writing here quotient. What is your quotient? 3. What you are going to write in remainder? 8. What you are going to write in divisor? 9. So this improper fraction 35 by 9 will change in mixed fraction 3 8 by 9. Again one more example I am taking here. 107 by 20. Divide 107 by 20. 107 by 20. 25s are 100. How much left here? 7. Now again, this is your 5 is your quotient. This is your divisor. And this 7 is your remainder. Now write this in mixed fraction. First you have to write what? Quotient. What is your quotient? 5. 5 is your quotient. What you have to write in numerator? You are going to write in numerator remainder. So 7 is your remainder. What you are going to write in divisor? 20. So here I am writing 20. So your fraction will be 5 7 by 20. Next is expressed as an improper fraction. What is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is whole number numerator by denominator. This mixed fraction you have to change into improper fraction. Improper fraction. How you can change? What you have to do here? Whole number into denominator. Whole number into denominator. Plus numerator. And again here denominator. Got it? Let's take an example. Here, first one example is 9 3 by 7. Now, how you can write it? 9 is the whole number. So, 9 into denominator is 7. So, 9 into 7. Whole number into denominator. Therefore, 9 into 7 plus numerator. Here, numerator is 3 and divided by denominator, that is 7. So what you will get here? First solve the bracket. So 9 7s are 63 plus 3 by 7. So you will get here 66 by 7. So you have changed now this mixed number 9 3 by 7 into improper fraction 66 by 7. Now next 8 4 by 9. Again, how you are going to write here? Whole number into denominator, that is 8 into 9 plus numerator, that is 4. Okay, divided by denominator 9. Now 8 9s are 72 plus 4 divided by 9. So what you will get here? 76 by 9. Again see here, this improper fraction 8 4 by 9. You have changed it into an improper fraction 76 by 9. Next is comparing fractions. First one I am taking here comparing like fractions. You all of you know that. What is like fraction? Fractions whose denominators are same are called like fractions. So for example, I am taking here 17 by 22 and 7 by 22. These two are like fractions because denominators are same. Okay. In these like fractions, as denominators are same, you have to see only numerators. Now 17 and 7. Which numerator is greater? 17 is greater. Therefore, greater numerator will be the greater fraction. So 17 by 22 is greater than 7 by 22. Now next example I am taking here 15 by 25 and 17 I am taking 17 by 25. Now here 15 and 17. Which numerator is greater? 17 is greater. Therefore, which fraction will be greater? 17 by 25 will be greater than the 15 by 25. Okay? If you have to arrange ascending and descending order, how you can do? Example, one more example I am taking here. Five by 7, 9 by 7, 3 by 7, 8 by 7. This randomly I have written these fractions. Now we are going to arrange this in ascending order. Ascending order. Okay. Now first in ascending order, what you have to write? First smallest fraction you have to write. As all these are like fractions, what you will see? You will compare only numerators. So which one is the smaller one numerator here? 3. Isn't it? So 3 by 7 is the smallest one. So I will write first 3 by 7. After that next 5. 5 by 7 I will write. Next is here 8. So 8 by 7. And last I will write here 9 by 7. Descending order I am going to write here. Now what we will write? Bigger one first. So what is bigger one? 9 by 7, as numerator is 9 greater than other. Okay. Then 8 by 7. Next 5 by 7. And last 3 by 7. Next is comparing unlike fractions. Take an example. 4 by 7 and 9 by 2. These are unlike fractions as denominators are different. You can compare these two fractions by two methods. First is cross multiplication. How you will write? You will multiply 4 into 2. Okay, numerator and this denominator. So 4 into 2. You have to write this product in left hand side. And next you are multiplying here 7 into 9. This you have to write on right hand side. Now here 4 into 2 is 8. 7 into 9 is 63. Which is greater? 63 is greater. Okay? Which is greater? 63 is greater. So 63, that is right hand side. Which fraction is greater? 9 by 2 is greater. Therefore 4 by 7 and 9 by 2. Which fraction will be greater? 9 by 2 will be greater. Okay? As you got here, right hand side product greater, right hand side fraction will be greater. Suppose if you will get left hand side greater, then left hand side fraction will be greater. Now second method is there by making unlike fraction to like fraction. How you can make? See this one fraction, again I am writing here 4 by 7 and 9 by 2. Now first for this to make that like fraction, you have to see here denominators. What is like fraction? Denominators are equal. So you have to take LCM of these two denominators. You can take LCM by the method or you can use this method, whatever I am telling. You have to check that what is the common multiple in 7 and 2's table. First common multiple. Okay. Suppose I am writing here table. So 7 ones are 7 twos are 14 and 7 threes are 21. Okay. In 2's table 2 twos are 4, then 6, 8, then 10, 12 and 14. Okay. Now see here, what is first common multiple? First common number in 7 and 2's table. What is here first common number? 14. So what is your LCM? 14. Okay. That means in denominator you have to bring 14. But you cannot write it directly. Okay. What you have to do? First I am taking here 4 by 7. You have to make in denominator 14. Okay. So by which number you are multiplying here to get 14? By 2. 7 2s are 14. As you are multiplying in denominator, you have to multiply it by the same number in numerator also. So what fraction you will get here? Instead of 4 by 7, you will get now here 8 by 14. Got it? Now next 9 by 2. Here also you need there 14 in denominator. So by which number you are multiplying? By 7. Again here by 7. So what you will get here? 9 sevens are 63. Here 2 sevens are 40. Okay. Now you see here you got these like fractions because now see here denominators are equal. Now you can compare these denominators. Here 8 by 14 and here is 63 by 14. Which one is greater? 63 by 14 will be greater. Okay. Now this 63 by 14 is for 9 by 2 and 8 by 14 is 4 by 7. So which one is greater? 9 by 2 is greater. Next sum. These fractions you have to arrange in ascending and descending orders. Okay. For that you cannot solve this by the first method, cross multiplication, because here more than 2 fractions are given. Okay. So we will use here second method, that is changing unlike fractions into the like fraction. For that I told that you have to take LCM of denominators. Okay, what will be the LCM of denominator here? I told you that you see there all 3 stable, 6 and 4 and 24 stable, and what is the common number here that you have to find out. So I will take here 24 as a LCM. Why? Because of course it is lying in 24 table, 24 ones only. Okay. It lies in 4 table, in 6 table as well as in 3 table. Okay. So what will be the LCM here? 24. Now all these fractions you have to change in denominator 24. So first I am taking here 2 by 3. So by which number you are going to multiply here? 8. So here also you have to multiply by 8. So what you will get here? 8 3s are 24. What you will get here? 8 2s are 16. Next number I am taking here 5 by 6. Now by which number you are going to multiply to get 24 here? By 4. Okay. So here also by 4. Then what you will get here? 24 and here 20. Next I am taking here 3 by 4. By which number you are multiplying here? 6. So here also you have to multiply by 6. Okay. Now here you will get 24 and numerator you will get 18. Next number 7 by 24. Here already 24 is given. So no need to multiply by any number. Okay. You can multiply by 1 but you will get the same fraction. So what you got now? 16 by 24, 20 by 24, 18 by 24 and 7 by 24. Now all these are like fractions. Now you can compare numerators and can write in ascending order. So I am writing here ascending order. What will be the smallest one? Compare this. Here 18 is the numerator, here 7, here 20 and 16. Which one is the smallest fraction here with the smallest numerator? So 7 by 24 is the small one. So I am writing 7 by 24. Next, what will be here? 16 by 24. 16 by 24. Next, what is here? 18 by 24. And last, 20 by 24. Now see here 7 by 24. For what we are writing 7 by 24? The same number 7 by 24. 16 by 24. Where is 16? Yes, 16 by 24. For which fraction you are writing 16 by 24? 2 by 3. So here I will write 2 by 3. Next, 18 by 24. Where is 18 by 24? 18 by 24. For which you are writing 3 by 4. So next is 3 by 4. And last 20 by 24. 20 by 24. For what you are writing? 5 by 6. So 5 by 6. So what is ascending order you got here? 7 by 21. 2 by 3. 3 by 4. And 5 by 6. Similarly, you can write descending order also. Next is comparing fractions with same numerator. First one example, 2 by 7 and 2 by 17. You can see here numerators are equal. In that examples where numerators are equal, you have to compare by the denominators. But how you have to compare? Whichever the greater denominator is the smaller fraction. Okay. Suppose here which one is the greater denominator here? 17 is the greater denominator. Therefore, this fraction is smaller than this. That means which one is greater? 2 by 7 is greater. Okay. Similarly, see in this example, 19 by 80 and 19 by 102. Okay. In this example, which denominator is greater? 102 is greater. Got it? So, this fraction as greater denominator is the smaller fraction. So, this denominator 102, this fraction will be smaller fraction. And which one is the greater fraction then? Having the smaller denominator. So, which fraction is greater here? 19 by 80 is greater than 19 by 102. Got it? Why? Because here denominator is greater. Whichever denominator is greater, that fraction will be the smaller fraction. Okay? Now, if you have to compare this and write into the ascending order, what you can see here? See there, as numerators are equal, don't see the numerators, see there the denominators. Whichever is the greater denominator is your smaller fraction. So, in ascending order, you have to write smaller one fraction first. So, which smaller fraction is here? That means greater denominator 3 by 70. Okay. Next with greater denominator 3 by 30. Next 3 by 11. And last 3 by 7. As here smallest denominator is 7, this fraction is the greatest fraction. Therefore, we have written that one in last. Got it here? I think so. Today in this video, you got clear what is the comparison of fraction, how to change improper fraction into the mixed fraction and vice versa. So thank you for watching and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.